Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally. I am so glad to be here with you today, going over just a little haul that I have from the dump. And thought I would just quickly jump on, show you some things that I've gotten recently that I intend to make over. And the first one is just a basket. Just a simple, easy to flip basket. And this cute spice rack, I'd love to put a back on this and find a more creative use for it. So we'll see what I come up with for that. Then my husband found these two little just boxes. These come from Target and they have the little clip on the front, and they're both the same. So I could certainly use them as some kind of a shadow box for the inside or do something with the outside. I have some really beautiful transfers that I got from Prima Redesign when that lady was retiring, going out of business, and I got them for such a great deal. So I'm thinking I might do two for the summery season with the fruit, and I have some free printables for you. So stay tuned. Hopefully in the next video or two, I'll be able to do that. I also got this wooden bowl, worse for wear. I'm gonna attempt to maybe take some of that shape off because I don't love the shape, but I would love to see what this is like without the finish. So once I can get my sander out, I am going to do that. Then I also got a whole bunch of cookie cutters. This is a little kitty, a triangle or diamond shape, a cute little antique one. My mother-in-law used to have these with the little green star. This one, not sure what that is. If you know what that is, let me know. I'm actually not sure what that is. I don't see it. This is a little horse and another adorable little green antique one, little Scotty dog. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, a bunny. I love my bunnies. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna have to do something with that. Oh, and a chicken, a rooster, and a spade. So a diamond and a spade. So yeah, somebody, probably, maybe I missed the heart. And a duck or a goose. So that was awesome. Then a little blue, just a simple box, oval shaped box that I like to make these over. These are free, easy, cheap. You can get them anywhere, and they're great when you decoupage them or paint them. And then this basket that has the grapes on the handle, not a fan, but I could absolutely do something with this. So that was my free haul recently, and I am going to make a couple of these over coming up soon, so make sure you stay tuned. Also, I am about 50 or 60 subscribers away from 1,500. So if you would be willing, would you please share, it doesn't have to be this video, any video that I've done, specifically the last, 5-6 months, that you've enjoyed, would you send one to a friend and ask them to subscribe, whether they watch the channel or not? If they would subscribe and I can get that 1,500, that would be awesome. And I would appreciate it. I thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.